In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a monthly calendar in Notion. This is perfect for tracking deadlines, planning your schedule, and keeping everything in one clean place. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in just a couple of minutes. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Both work the same for this. When Notion loads, look at the left-hand sidebar to make sure you're in the workspace where you want your calendar to live. That way, you'll find it easily later and keep it organized with your other pages. Next, click the plus New Page button. You'll find it in the sidebar, usually near the bottom or under your workspace name. When you click it, a fresh page opens on the right, ready for you to choose what kind of content you want to add. Think of this as the starting point for any new project or tool you build in Notion. Now, you'll select the database type. Choose Calendar, and then choose Full Page Database. Notion calls these structured pages databases, and a calendar is just one of the ways to view and organize your information. Full Page Database means the calendar will take up the entire page, giving you a spacious, focused monthly grid without distractions. This is ideal for a dedicated planner. If you've ever seen inline content inside another page, that's different. Full Page keeps it standalone and easy to access from your sidebar. Once selected, Notion creates a calendar view that typically opens to the current month, showing a familiar grid with days and weeks. Finally, give your calendar a clear name, like Monthly Planner. A good title makes it simple to search and recognize later. You can tailor the name to your purpose, maybe Work Monthly Planner, Family Calendar, or Content Schedule. Whatever helps you immediately know what it's for. Short, descriptive names tend to work best as your workspace grows. That's it. You've opened Notion, created a new page, selected Calendar as a full-page database, and named it. You now have a dedicated monthly calendar page you can return to anytime from the sidebar. From here, you can start planning your month, and as you get comfortable, you can explore ways to refine how it looks and behaves. But even with just these steps, you have a clean, practical monthly view that's ready for your schedule and goals.